Welcome to Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. And on today's show, we're going to be unboxing the Ubiquiti UniFi Protect G3 camera. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, I mostly do tech unboxing videos, so if you're into stuff like this, then smash that subscribe button as it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me buy more tech to share on my channel and with my giveaways. Now let's unbox it. Well, I hope you guys went ahead and enjoyed today's video, and if you did, go ahead and make sure that you slap that like button if you haven't already, and if you didn't like it, go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so that we know that you mean it.